focal chord, latus rectum of a parabola. This is the chord. Chord means the line joining the 2 points on the parabola is called chord. The line joining the 2 points on the parabola is called chord of a parabola. That is, this is the parabola. 2 points, any 2 points in this parabola. Let us A, B. Here, this is the axis. Focus is here. Here AB is the chord. Is chord. After this, focal chord. Focal chord. Focal chord means this chord passing through the focus. This is the focus. This chord passing through the focus. It is called focal chord. The chord passing through focus is called focal chord. That is, this is the S focus, this is the A, this is the B. So here SAB is a focal chord. Focal chord. A, B are the 2 points on the parabola. S is the focus. A, S, B is the focal chord. Next, latus rectum. Latus rectum. Latus rectum means this focal chord is perpendicular to axis. This is the axis. This focal chord perpendicular to axis is called focal chord. The focal chord passes through focus and perpendicular to axis of parabola. The focal chord passes through focus and perpendicular to axis of parabola is called latus rectum. Is called latus rectum. This is the axis of the parabola. This is the L point. This is the L dash point. Latus rectum ends L dash. It is passes through the focus S. This L dash is called latus rectum. This is the latus rectum. This is the focal chord. And here the length of the latus rectum is L dash. The length of the latus rectum is L dash. Here L and L dash are ends of the focal chord, ends of the latus rectum, ends of the latus rectum. The focal chord passes to the focus and perpendicular to axis of parabola is called latus rectum. This is the diagram. Here L dash ends of the latus rectum, S is the focus. Here exactly perpendicular. and the length of the lattice rectum is L dash. L is the and L dash is the ends of the lattice rectum. So now we find the L dash. L dash is equal to how much? This is the question. How we find L dash, length of lattice rectum? So here y square is equal to 4ax parabola. This is the S, a comma 0. This is L. This is L dash, ends of the lattice rectum. So here x coordinate is a, y coordinate 0. So here also x coordinate same a, here also x coordinate same a. But we don't know y coordinate. But this length equal. SL is equal to SL dash. So let us, it is equal to some L. Here L, here also minus L. That is the first quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. That's why plus L, here minus L. This is the x axis and y axis. So here L is equal to a comma L dash is equal to a comma minus L. So this point lies on the parabola. A comma L lies on the parabola. Lies on the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. So substitute this point implies y square, that is L square, is equal to 4a. X is the a. So L square is equal to 4a square. So on root 2a. Plus or minus coming. L is equal to plus or minus 2a. So L is equal to a comma 2a and L dash is the a comma minus 2a. These are the ends of the lattice rectum. So LL dash, this LL dash is equal to here SL plus SL dash. So LL dash is equal to SL 2a plus this also 2a. LL dash is equal to 4a. This is the length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum. Find the equation of the parabola with focus minus root 2 comma 0 and directrix x is equal to root 2. So here x is equal to root 2 means this lines. X is equal to root 2 and minus root 2 comma 0, this point minus root 2 comma 0, it is lies on the x axis and left side of the y axis. So this equation of the parabola y square is equal to minus 4ax, left open of the parabola, that is y square is equal to minus 4ax. So from the point s is equal to minus a comma 0, minus root 2 comma 0 means minus a comma 0. And x is equal to root 2 means x is equal to a. A value from the both a is equal to root 2 exactly. So the required parabola is y square is equal to minus 4ax. That's why y square is equal to minus 4 into a value root 2 substitution x. Finally y square is equal to minus 4 root 2 x. It is the required equation of the parabola. Next problem. Find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is 5 comma minus 2 and focus is 2 comma minus 2. So according to these points with coordinates, we draw the graph. Then we identify the axis of the parabola. What is the axis of the parabola? It is the x axis or y axis or parallel to x axis or parallel to y axis. So we find the axis. According to axis, what is the parabola? Solution. Take the graph. This is the x axis, this is the y axis, origin, and vertex is 5 comma minus 2. Suppose here 5 minus 2, here also 5, here minus 2. This point is 5 comma minus 2. It is the vertex A, 5 comma minus 2. And focus is 2 comma minus 2. Minus 2 here, here 2. This point is focus, yes sir, 2 comma minus 2. This is the vertex, this is the focus. In the parabola, focus lies inside the parabola. So here parabola is left to open. This is the parabola. Always focus lies inside the parabola. So here S and A coordinates are here. The distance between SA is small a. This is the small a. So from the 2 points, here A is equal to 5 comma minus 2, S is equal to 2 comma minus 2. Here we find A value SA. So 5 minus 2 whole square and minus 2 plus 2 whole square. SA is equal to, this is 3 square plus this is 0. It is equal to 3. So A is equal to 3 value. A is equal to 3 value. So here axis is parallel to x axis. Axis is parallel to x axis. So here axis of the parabola is parallel to x axis. So left side curve negative coming. So it is written as y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h and negative. Left and shift the vertex A. It is the h comma k. A is the h comma k. A is equal to h comma k. That is 5 comma minus 2. So here we substitute. And A value already we found 3. Y minus k. K is the minus 2. Whole square is equal to 4a. It is 3 a value. X minus h. H is the 5 and minus. So y minus minus plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 12 into x minus 5 is the required equation of the parabola. Equation of the parabola. So in this graph is the important. We find the vertex and focus. After that calculate the distance between SA, that is small a value. Number 3. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex minus 1 minus 2, axis parallel to y axis, and passing through 3 comma 6. According to coordinates, we draw the graph. Minus 1 minus 2 lies in the third quadrant, 3 comma 6 in the first quadrant. Draw the graph. X axis, y axis. So x coordinates up to 3, 1, 2, 3, and y up to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6. And coordinates left downside also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 1 and minus 2. This is the minus 2. So minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 here. Why minus 2 here? This is the vertex A. A minus 1, minus 2 point. And it is passing through the 3, 6. 3 is here. X is here. This is the 3, 6 point. So that parabola passes through point P and vertex A. So parabola upside like this. So axis is parallel to y axis. This is the axis. This is the parallel to y axis. This is the axis parallel to y axis. So upper side parabola. So here A is the h comma k. A is the h comma k. That is minus 1, minus 2. So required parabola in the form required parabola in the form. So above is y square is equal to 4x. So change the vertex. That's why it is written as x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. This is the type. If down is there, minus 4a. So it is upper. So here a value we don't know. X minus h. H is the minus of minus 1 whole square. 4a into y minus k. K is the minus 2. So this is passes through. This is passes through which point? 3, 6. So we substitute the 3, 6 in that equation. We get the a value. So instead of x 3 minus of minus plus 1 whole square is equal to 4a into y plus 2. Y is the 6 minus minus plus 2. So this is 4 square is equal to 4a into 8. So 1 4 4 cancel. Here another 4 is equal to 8a. From this a is equal to 1 by 2 coming. And 4a value is equal to 4 into 1 by 2. 4a value directly 2 coming. We substitute in the equation here. X minus of minus 1 whole square is equal to 4a. 4a is equal to 2. Y minus of minus 2. So on the expansion x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into y plus 2. This is the required equation of the parabola. Here another new problem. Find the vertex, focus, directrix, length of the lattice rectum of the parabola equation x square minus 4x minus 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. Solution. Given equation is x square minus 4x minus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 given. From this equation, x terms one side, x square minus 4x one side, and y terms constant outside, 5y plus 1. So here x square minus 4x, for the complete square, perfect square purpose, we written as x square minus 2 into x into 2, a square minus 2ab. So instead of b 2, so we add 2 square b square and subtract 2 square, and the right side 5y plus 1 as it is. So up to here it is x minus 2 whole square this outside 5y plus 1 plus 4. Next x minus 2 whole square is equal to 5y plus 5. So and next x minus 2 whole square is equal to 5 common y plus 1. So it is also written as x minus 2 whole square 5 into y minus of minus 1 whole minus into minus plus 1. So this is comparison by x minus h whole square 5 into 4a into y minus k. So here positive means it is the upside parabola. So 4a value 5 here, 4a value 5, then a is equal to 5 by 4. Here a value important. So for this parabola lies upside. Like this. This is the a h comma k. This is the s. So upside means h comma k plus a. S is the k plus a. Here h comma k, from this h comma k is equal to 4a into y minus k. X minus h, instead of h 2 is there. K is equal to minus 1. Next this is the vertex a. After this focus, yes is the focus formula h comma k plus a, h comma k plus a, whereas h is equal to 2, k is the minus 1 plus a is the 5 by 4. So it is equal to 2 comma 5 minus 4, 1 by 4 coming. This is the focus. This is the vertex. After what asking? Directrix equation. Equation of the directrix. So directrix in this side, y minus k is equal to minus a. So y minus k value is the minus 1 is equal to minus a value 5 by 4. So after this y plus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 4, multiply with 4y plus 4 is equal to minus 5, 4y plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 0, 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix. After asking length of the lattice rectum, length of the lattice rectum is equal to 4a. Length of the lattice rectum is equal to 4a. 4a value 5. That problem is over.